A factory that considers you. Smart factory. The environment that requires the mass production of a variety of products with high quality. Management of increasing equipment. Increasing personnel expenses. The quality remains stationary. What about the delivery date? Everyone talks about smart world, but how long are we going to? Find the answer from the smart factory that considers you. What would it be, a smart factory? What if the factory becomes a competent employee? If we actualize this, it shall be a smart factory. This is a factory that agonizes the better operation and then judges by itself. The world put a lot of effort into making an intelligent factory. Intelligent factory judges by itself using ICT. The information generated from a factory is analyzed after collection of information through real-time monitoring. Increase the operating ratio by checking the production resource state. It helps to manage the best quality by providing the cause analysis of the quality problem and the data about the faculty production. If the system structure is inefficient, it builds a flexible system to fit efficiently. A smart factory that provides ideas about making a better environment, acting by itself, memorizing, organizing, and using the information. This environment improvement brings a lot of effects. Productivity is increased by 30% since it increases the efficiency of the factory. The defect rate is decreased by 43.5% as the problems are immediately processed in real time, and the transpiring problems are dealt in advance. Production cost is reduced by 15.9% as it collects and applies information of state, the efficiency of equipment, price comparison of raw material in real time. The job satisfaction of employees is also increased by the improvement of the working environment. Management and work instruction gets easier by convenience considered UI. Many factories, including conglomerates, are already advancing through the smart factory. Would the smart factory be feasible for our factory? Regardless of field, it can be optimized to the factory by combining modules of platforms. Hatio Lab. We dream of the better world, brought by manufacturing innovation.